Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm reviewing a pair of true wireless earbuds that sit at the absolute top of the premium ladder, the Bowers and Wilkins PI7. These buds come with a high price tag, but they also promise sound quality and features that could justify every dollar. So here's the big question, are the PI7s truly worth your money? Let's find out. Also, the link to these earbuds will be included in the video description below. Right from the start, Bowers and Wilkins delivers a high-end experience. The packaging is elegant, sturdy, and screams luxury. You get the earbuds, a sleek and weighty charging case, USB-C to USB-C cable, multiple ear tips, and this is a cool one, a USB and analog audio adapter that lets you use the case as a Bluetooth transmitter. Yes, we'll talk more about it later. Everything is laid out in a way that feels premium. It's clear they put effort into making a good first impression, and honestly, it works. Now let's talk about aesthetics. The PI7s have a distinctive, classy design. They don't go for the ultra minimalist look. Instead, they embrace a luxurious metallic finish that feels just right in hand and ear. Each earbud has a textured, circular metal cap that gives it a unique and sophisticated vibe. The charging case is a bit chunky, no doubt, but it feels durable and well engineered. It has a matte finish with a metallic hinge and supports wireless charging. Overall, the build quality here is absolutely top tier. Now onto the comfort, which can make or break any pair of earbuds. The PI7 earbuds aren't the lightest earbuds out there, but they are very well balanced. Once you pop them in, they sit snugly without creating pressure points. They come with multiple ear tip sizes, so you can really dial in the fit. I worn them for several hours at the stretch, through editing sessions, phone calls, walks, and never once did they feel the urge to pull them out. That alone says a lot for a premium set of earbuds. Alright, now let's get into the meat, sound quality. This is where the PI7s flex their muscles. These buds feature dual hybrid drivers, a balanced armature and a dynamic driver in each earbud, and the result is simply outstanding. The soundstage is wide and immersive. You can pick out instruments individually, yet everything feels cohesive. Highs are crisp without being sharp, mids are rich, especially vocals, which come through warm and lifelike, and the bass is deep, punchy, and detailed without overpowering the rest of the mix. They support 24-bit audio with aptX adaptive, so if you are streaming high-quality audio from a compatible device, you are really getting the best these buds can offer. Whether you're into jazz, hip-hop, classical, or podcasts, the PI7s handle it all with ease. By the way, prices on these earbuds update almost weekly with sales and other general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, simply check out the video description and you'll find the latest prices. And of course, if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. The PI7s also pack active noise cancellation, and while it's good, it's not class leading. It handles low-end hums and moderate background noise well, but don't expect total silence on a plane or a packed subway. It's more of a soft mute than a full-on blockout. However, the transparency mode is very natural. It doesn't have that artificial boost that high-end some other brands suffer from. Conversations sound clear and ambient noise feels real, not robotic. Battery life is decent, but again, not class leading. You get about 4 hours on a single charge with ANC on, and the case gives you around additional 4 full charges, bringing the total to around 20 hours. If you turn ANC off, you can stretch that a bit further. Wireless charging is a nice bonus, and a quick charge support means a 15-minute top-up can give you about 2 hours of playback, which is great in a pinch. Now, here's something unique, and this is where the PI7 stand apart. The charging case can connect to an audio source using the included USB-C or 3.5mm cable and then transmit that audio to your earbuds over Bluetooth. Let's say you are on a flight and want to use the airplane's in-flight entertainment. You plug the case into the headphone jack using the cable, and bam, you are wirelessly connected to the seat back system. It's one of those features you didn't know you needed until you have it, and it works seamlessly. Now, the big elephant in the room, the price. The PI7s are expensive. You are paying flagship smartphone money for a pair of earbuds. But here's the thing, they don't feel like a ripoff. The sound quality alone gets you 90% of the way there, and when you add the unique features, build quality, and luxury feel, you can see where the money went. Still, they're not for everyone. If you're someone who just wants decent sound and strong ANC, there are other options at half the price. But if you're an audiophile who values every detail, or you just appreciate beautifully engineered tech, back, these might be worth the splurge. So, are the Bowers and Wilkins PI7 worth it? If you're someone who prioritizes sound above all else and you appreciate high-end design and that little extra magic like the retransmission feature, then yes, absolutely. They deliver a luxurious listening experience that most other earbuds just can't match. But if ANC, battery life, or customization are at the top of your list, you may want to explore other options like the Sony WF-1000XM5 or the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra earbuds. All in all, the PI7s are a stunning achievement in true wireless space. They're not perfect, but they are pretty damn close for everyone who listens with their heart, not just their ears. Let me know in the comments, guys, are you planning to pick up these earbuds or are you going to stick with what you already have? That's it for this video, guys. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if this video is helpful, and make sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on these earbuds. See you in the next one.